In this video tutorial, I'll explain how to mention all your friends in Facebook comments. Please watch the entire video to ensure you understand the process correctly. Let's get started. Unfortunately, on your personal Facebook page you cannot mention all your friends in comments on your own posts. However, you can mention all your friends in a Facebook group. Here is how. Open the Facebook app on your device. Navigate to a Facebook group where you would like to mention all your friends. Access the group by tapping on the menu icon, then selecting Groups. Choose the group you manage or are a member of. Find the post in the group where you want to mention everyone. In the comment section of the post, type your comment. To mention everyone in the group, you need to use a specific comment. Start by tapping the @ symbol in the comment section. It will bring up suggestions. Select everyone from the suggestions. Once you've selected everyone, finish your comment and tap on Send. By using the @ symbol followed by everyone in a group comment, every member of that group will be notified that you have mentioned them. And that's how you can mention all your friends in a Facebook group comment. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.